You know now where we have to do? Everybody knows?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So the husband worked evenings, putting the books of some merchants in order. At night, he often did copying at 5 sous a page. हस्बैंड जो था वो शाम को भी काम करने लगा आफ्टर डूइंग हिज ऑफिस जॉब ओके he did extra earning so that he might return the money that he had taken as a debt and he used to go to some merchants and there he used to do the work of accounts and this thing and at night also he did some work. What work did he did? Of copying the pages at 5 sous. 5 sous, I told you, 5 coins. Now this life lasted for 10 years. At the end of 10 years, they had resorted on. Now this kind of hard life, they continued living for 10 years. Okay, they continued this kind of life for 10 years continuously, and after 10 years when they paid the debt, okay, after hard struggle of 10 years, she removed her maid, they changed the lodging, she started doing, Madame Loisel started doing all the work on her own, got it, and all the shopping also, groceries, and going to the fruit shop, going to the grocers, to the butchers for the vegetables, everything she started doing. Even the husband, he started working late at nights, and finally after 10 years they were able to pay the debt. Okay, जो कर्जा लिया था उन्होंने चुका दिया. But Madame Loisel seemed old now. She had become a strong, hard woman, the crude woman of the poor household. Okay. Now, Madame Loisel, all her beauty now, it had vanished. She had become absolutely a typical household woman who had become very strong by working hard. And she was a hard woman, the crude woman of the poor household. ओके क्रूड होता है जो थोड़े ऐसे इलिटरेट पुअर टाइप लगने लगते हैं her hair badly dressed, her skirts awry, hands red, and she spoke in a loud tone. See, typical household, okay, woman she had become. Her hair badly dressed. Now she did not comb her hair properly. Her skirts awry means slits रहती थी. Slits मतलब ऐसे shrink type है, okay, not ironed. Her hands red और हाथ बिल्कुल लाल हो गए उसके बिल्कुल काम कर करके. And she spoke in a loud tone and washed the floors with large pails of bucket, right? And she used to wash the floors also with lot and lot of bucket. Means she did all the household work. But sometimes when her husband was at the office, she would sit uh, herself below before the window and think of that evening party of former times, of that ball where she was so beautiful and so flattered. But whenever her husband would away, okay, would be away, he would go out to work, she used to sit near the window and she used to ponder, she used to think, okay, of that particular day of that ball party, okay, of former times, matlab of the past, ठीक है. उस पार्टी के बारे में सोचती थी where she was so beautiful, so pretty and was flattered. Clear or not, everybody praised her, everybody wanted to dance with her. Okay, so she remembered that evening party. How would it have been if she had not lost the necklace? Who knows? और उसको लगता था कि शायद है ना यदि नेकलेस नहीं खोया होता तो द कंडीशन वुड हैव बीन डिफरेंट. हाउ सिंगुलर इज लाइफ एंड हाउ फुल ऑफ चेंजेस. Okay, singular means how strange is life and so many changes it comes in the life. Nobody knows how small a thing will ruin or save one. This is absolutely right, beta. Okay, she thinks that a small thing, it can ruin somebody's life and it can also save somebody's life. Got it? Life can do anything, ups and downs or turns that come in the life. It can ruin a person's life. Ruin का मतलब समझते हो ना, बर्बाद भी कर देती है ना किसी की लाइफ, और कई बार ऐसे चेंज आते हैं कि किसी की लाइफ बन भी जाती। क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, one Sunday as she was taking a walk in the Champs Elysees to rid herself of the cares of the week. Now, one Sunday morning, she was just walking in James Elysees, she was having a nice walk to remove the tiredness, okay, of the whole week. She suddenly perceived a woman walking with a child. एकदम से उसने क्या देखा कि a woman, was walking with a child. She recognized who was she. It was Madame Forrester, still young, still pretty, still attractive. Madame Loisel was affected. अब उसने ध्यान से देखा, woman was coming and she was having a small child with her. तो देखा तो कौन थी? मैडम फॉरेस्टर थी। अभी भी she was young, she was pretty, she was attractive. Okay. And Madame Loisel बड़ी अफेक्ट हो गई उसको देख के। Should she speak to her? और वो सोचने लगी मैडम लॉयसल, मटिल्डा सोचने लगी, should she speak to Madame Forrester? Yes, certainly, and now that she had paid, she would tell her, why not? और फिर डिसाइड करती है, श्योर शी इज गोइंग टू स्पीक टू हर फ्रेंड। और फिर अब डरने की क्या बात है? शी हैड ऑलरेडी paid her, means she had already returned the necklace to her, and now she is going to tell her friend the whole story about the necklace. She approached her. Good morning, Jenny. Her friend did not recognize her and was astonished to be so familiarly addressed by this common person. अब एकदम से उसके पास जाती है और कहती है, गुड मॉर्निंग जेनी। जेनी वॉज द फ्रेंड ऑफ, ओके, मटिल्डा की जो थी मैडम फॉरेस्टर। नाउ फ्रेंड जो थी इसको रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं कर पाई एंड शी वाज वेरी मच एस्टोनिश्ड दैट शी वाज फेमिलरली, मतलब बहुत फेमिलर तरीके से, इतने है ना, व्हेन डू यू टेक द नेम्स ऑफ योर फ्रेंड्स, ओके, व्हेन यू आर टू फेमिलियर विद देम, ठीक है। तो उसको बड़ा आश्चर्य हुआ कि कॉमन वुमन ने उसको इतना उससे बुलाया। शी स्टैमर्ड, बट मैडम आई डू नॉट नो, यू मस्ट बी मिस्टेकन, ओके। और उसकी जुबान एकदम लड़खड़ा गई और कहती है, मैडम आई एम सॉरी, आई डोंट नो यू, श्योरली यू आर मिस्टेकन, नो आई एम मटिल्डा लॉयसेल। लेकिन मटिल्डा ने अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दिया। Her friend uttered a cry of astonishment. Okay, astonishment is surprise. एकदम से उसके मुंह से चीख निकली आश्चर्य की। Oh my poor Matilda, how you have changed. Yes, I have had some hard days since I saw you and some miserable one, and all because of you. अब वो कहती है, of course I had very bad time, Okay, since the time I met you, okay, 10 years before, she wanted to say, when I took the diamond necklace, after that, I had a very bad time, a very miserable time, and everything happened just because of you. Because of me, how is that? Now, friend, she did not know anything, and she says, how? Because of me. How? कैसे हुआ ये? You recall the diamond necklace that you loaned me to wear to the minister's ball, okay? Do you remember the diamond necklace that you had given me, okay, to wear in a party, okay, to wear to the minister's ball party. Ball is the party, okay, dance party. Yes, very well, friend कहती है. Well, I lost it. How is that since you returned it to me? तो वो कहती है, of course, Matilda कहती है, that necklace, I lost it. No, friend, she says, but you have returned it. I returned another to you exactly like it, and it has taken us 10 years to pay for it. You can understand that it was not easy for us who have nothing, but it is finished, and I am decently content. Now, Matilda, Matilda says that, of course, I returned the diamond necklace, but that was the different necklace that I had returned, and it was not possible for us, okay, to buy a new necklace, a new diamond necklace. So we had to borrow money from here and then, and it has taken 10 years of hard work to repay the amount, okay, that we had taken for to buy that diamond necklace, okay. Lekin now everything is finished. Now the debt, it has been paid. I have repaid the money that I had taken, and now I am really content, means now I am satisfied. Madam Forrester stopped short. She said, "You say that you bought a diamond necklace to replace mine." Madam Forrester, ekdam se bolte bolte, she stops and she says, "What are you saying? Okay. You bought a diamond necklace. मतलब तुमने खरीदा. Yes, you did not perceive it then. They were just alike. Of course, you did not perceive. You did not come to know." Madam Matilda कहती है. क्यों? क्योंकि वो दोनों same थे. And she smiled with proud and simple joy. Okay. और बड़े प्राउड से और बड़ी खुशी से वो मुस्कुराई. Madam Forrester was touched. Madam Forrester, she became very emotional and took both her hands in her as she replied, "Oh, my poor Matilda, mine were false. They were not worth over 500 francs." आप कहती हैं पुअर मटिल्डा, मेरी पुअर मटिल्डा, माय इनोसेंट मटिल्डा, जो मेरा नेकलेस था वो तो फॉल्स था, 500 फ्रैंक्स का भी नहीं था वो नेकलेस. गॉट इट?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
think there could be another option? Matilda wouldn't have bought the necklace from the shop and she could have done something else. Do you think? Can you suggest any other option that she could have done? क्या कर सकती थी वो?
Ma'am, she should tell all her story to her friend, Madam Forrester. It might possible that she will tell her the real story about the necklace, that it was a false one.
Yes, yes. She should have done this thing instead of going to the shop for looking, okay, or instead of thinking to buy a new necklace, she should have told everything to her friend कि this and this thing happened and I lost the necklace. तो उस समय जो friend थी वो उसको reality reveal कर सकती थी, okay, कि don't worry, it was a false necklace, okay, and it was not even worth 500 francs का नहीं था. तो 500 francs तो वो easily afford कर सकते थे ना, they could have given. तो उसकी लाइफ जो थी वो रुइन नहीं होती, बर्बाद नहीं होती. तो ये देखो बेटा, सिंपल चेंज इन द लाइफ इट रुइंस, यू नो. कभी तो सेव भी कर देता है, कभी रुइन भी कर देता है. चेंज जो लाइफ में आता है ना, कई बार बहुत ज्यादा अफेक्ट करता है हमारे जीवन. क्लियर?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, then tomorrow we are going to do the questions and then we'll begin with the chapter, the hack driver. Okay, and the hack driver, now I want you to begin with the chapter. I'm going to ask you the summary of the hack driver and then we'll begin. It means this is your homework. You're going to read the chapter. You'll find out the summary of this chapter. Clear? Got it, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
bye
ma'am.
then. Okay, bye. Complete the work and take care, okay? God bless you all, beta.
Thank you, ma'am.